Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Make Elements from Household Materials. Today's element is going to be vanadium. Vanadium can be found as vanadium pentoxide from pottery supply stores, and today we will reduce it with fine aluminum powder we made in a previous video to get some elemental vanadium. To begin, we can measure out 40 grams of vanadium pentoxide and 20 grams of aluminum powder. Then these can be thoroughly ground together in a blender dedicated for chemistry. This mixture is a thermite-style mixture, and according to the literature, it is very reactive. I discovered this when doing a small test with just a few grams. Take some magnesium ribbon, heat it up, and there we go. Whoa! I don't think I can see anything. That was very bright. For the remainder of the testing, a welding mask was worn to protect my eyes from the bright light produced. As a side note, do not do this on your front doorstep. After the reaction, the slag was sorted and all the metallic pieces were collected. Next, a solution of sodium hydroxide was prepared. By adding the vanadium chunks into the sodium hydroxide, the aluminum oxide and unreacted vanadium pentoxide will dissolve to form sodium aluminate and sodium orthovanadate respectively. The vanadium will remain untouched and thus be purified. In total, a few grams of nice vanadium metal was obtained for our element collection. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in a future project. Okay, bye.